Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel PMN Online. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys exactly how to change page URL in Elementor, a fundamental step in optimizing your site's SEO structure and ensuring clean permalinks. This is often simpler than people think, but the setting isn't directly in the Elementor editor itself. Without further ado, let's dive right in and learn this Elementor SEO permalink process. Important: the URL is managed by WordPress, not Elementor. The most important thing to understand is that the page URL, also known as the slug or permalink, is controlled by the core WordPress settings, not the Elementor page builder. Elementor controls the design and content, but WordPress handles the address. Step 1. Accessing the WordPress page settings. To change the page URL, you must first exit the Elementor editor and go back to the standard WordPress editor. If you are currently in the Elementor editor, click the hamburger menu, 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Exit to Dashboard. Once you are in the WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Pages section on the left-hand menu. Find the specific page you want to edit and click on its title to open the standard WordPress block editor, Gutenberg, or the classic editor. Step 2. Modifying the page permalink, the slug inside the WordPress editor. You will find the permalink settings, regardless of which theme or page builder you use. Look on the right-hand side of the screen for the Settings panel. Under the Page tab, expand the section labeled Permalink or URL. Here you will see the URL slug field. This is the last part of your page's address. For example, yourdomain.com/thisistheslug. Simply delete the old slug and type in your new SEO-friendly URL. For example, let's say, if your current slug is About Us old version, you can change it to About Us. Step 3. Saving changes and reopening Elementor. Once you have updated the URL slug, click the Update or Publish button in the top right corner of the WordPress editor to save the new permalink. The page's address is now officially changed by WordPress. You can now click Edit with Elementor to go back and continue editing your design, knowing the URL is optimized. Alternative method: using Quick Edit. For experienced users who want a faster WordPress URL quick edit. In the WordPress dashboard, go to the Pages list. Hover over the page title you want to change. Click the Quick Edit option. In the pop-up window, you will see a field labeled Slug. You can instantly change the page URL slug here without opening the main editor. Click Update. That's it. Hopefully, this guide helped you quickly master how to change page URL in Elementor and improve your site's SEO. If you want more videos like this, like the video and subscribe to our channel.